Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome to this new live stream. And yeah, I'm exactly at time almost. Okay. So today in this live stream we have a bunch of things to discuss. All right, so I guess this is an incognito mode. Okay, so let me close this one and let me open a new one. Luminex. Okay, I don't have much credit right now, right? I was doing some testing with this, and I'm planning to integrate a new uh, page. It's called like storyboard. Storyboard. And wait, I found one AI model. Like I just did some research and I found one AI model that is more powerful, I guess. Yeah, I found that. So I'm gonna wait. Let me check that. I'm gonna try to like I'll do some research on that. And I like that model. I've heard that model is pretty good for ad creating UGC ads. So okay, so it was wait that wait a second. That model was rich, I guess. Yeah. What the heck? Dating assistant? Yes, there was a rich video generator. Okay, I don't think this the name was rich. Okay, whatever. Let's just leave that. And first of all, I'm going to complete this section. So okay, so it's not updated yet. So I'm gonna open cursor. So let me hide my screen in case something sensitive won't get revealed. All right, everything looks perfect. Yeah. All right. So basically, I didn't do anything today. I was just working on creating few videos. I was just testing my platform. All right, and I want to show you some like cool generation that I have made using Luminex. Okay, what's that? Okay, all right. So I'm confused whether to show you guys that or not. Okay, so these are all the bunch of clips that I was generating, and all are made via Luminex. I was I was trying this platform, and then yeah, at that time I created all stuff, and I'm like I've tried different like models from where we can create consistent uses character, and I have come up with a plan, but I'm not gonna work on that because I'm gonna go do a bit of research, and then only I guess I'll give that a try. So first of all, here, let me go on the local host. Okay, I'm not signed in. I'm gonna sign in and I'll see you after that. Continue with Google. Oh shit. Damn, what the hell, man? Oh shit. Oh, let's just leave that. Ignore that. This is like there's a board behind me that it just fell off. Okay. So here in the video generation, not like in the AI model, I guess. Alright, here we're gonna do a few changes. Wait, is this model same? Luminex dashboard. Okay, no. I thought like why like the data like the database is same or not. Okay, so here here what I can do is paste it to the engine as a visual ingredient mode. Okay, there's only VEO option. I haven't tested this yet, so I can. Okay, so this was working previously, and yeah, this work images we are getting consistent image, and like the model is kind of fat right here, and we are getting the model fat as well. Yeah, it is kind of fat, and it is exactly the same. So the next thing is the video, and for the video I'm planning to add a storyboard feature from where we can um, make consistent ads, but it will be longer type, longer videos. So I'm planning to work on that. So I guess today we'll work on that, and other everything looks good to me, this one as well. And motion control, okay, it's also great. And okay, history, it's also good. Yeah, I was trying to implement that. You can see like I was I tried to implement this storyboard one, but it didn't went good. So see, what I'm gonna do is alright, we got two concurrent viewers. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna create a new tab called storyboard. Should I do that on motion or what? Image generation, story mode, inside AI model. Okay, let's just create a new option. Create a new page called storyboard, and I want you to implement that on the dashboard page, like dashboard sidebar. shit. My bad, my bad. This was me. Sorry. Welcome to the stream, bro. How you doing? How you doing, brother? I guess Hicksville also have the same. Yeah, yeah, just like this. Mm, so to do that, I need to completely I need to remove my dashboard page as well. Now the sidebar shows. Okay, what the heck it has done? Shit. Instead of this landing page, we're gonna use different one. Okay, so it is changing that on the dashboard name bar. Okay, as I want. So I'm just gonna keep the landing page as the same because right now Hickspill does not have, because they are already a huge brand. So I'm planning to just keep the landing page so people will get to know more about the site. Okay, it's like this. So I gotta remove the sidebar. So I wanted to remove the sidebar, and instead of sidebar we will have the options in the heading section, and also in the pricing I wanted to put the pricing nav link. But on that I wanted to create a badge and put 50% off, because we are running 50% off on yearly subscription. And other thing is good. Okay, so I just wanted to do that changes, and I wanted to remove the sidebar that we have on the dashboard right now, and that sidebar will be visible, or I wanted to put like hamburger menu when it's on the mobile device. Hello. Okay, so I'm audible. I guess I'm still mute. Templates, history, community. Okay, on the community there's this different one. Okay, and pricing. Okay, so I guess this looks a bit good. On this we have the dashboard. Okay, come back across today. What will you create today? Your total credit and other stuff. Okay, for now let's just leave it like this. And if I go on the workspace, I will get access to this workspace. If I go on model, this one image, I'm gonna it will redirect me image model, and for the video it will redirect me towards the video generation page. Okay. Image, when I hover it is like this. Okay, so on the Hicksfield website, when I hover on those buttons, then it's reveals all the things that they have. When I hover on the image, then it reveals all the image Like we're gonna provide a create image default button that will redirect user to generate image page, and else we're gonna provide the models that we have. So when users click on that, then they will be redirected towards the image generation section with the model selected already. And on the video we're gonna do the same as well. Okay, we're gonna show all the models that we have, and the create video list will be by default like on top. So user will be redirected towards the video generation page, and all the models available will be displayed on that when hovered. Okay, all right, two concurrent viewers. Okay, let's go. This community needs to be updated. Pricing 50% off, and this stripe doesn't work. I was trying to integrate, but it's like half done. It is still redirect me towards the sandbox, Luminex sandbox. So okay, video, create video. All right, everything looks great, but all right. So on the navbar, when I hover, right now if I hover on the video, then it says start, which says like create video, and then there's nothing on that, and after that there is model section. So what I want you to do is I want you to put those model in that create video list as well. What I meant is the first column and the first rows will be occupied by create video, and other rest will be filled by the available models that we have. Okay. Whoa, 3 concurrent viewers. I don't know why this cursor always doesn't put cursor pointer here. Is this looks kinda so different when it's not cursor pointer on those buttons. Okay, now it put everything on one. Oh my god, this cursor. Okay, on the video they have two, and their overflows is a scroll. Okay, sorry, my bad. So on the video model it looks like this. Okay, so I want you to create two column, like there will be two column, and row will be like increased or decreased based on the models that we have. I want you to make like two columns for the video generation model, and also do the same for the image generation model as well. I want like the create image will be on first row first column, and after that on the first row second column put any other model, and after that go towards the second row first column, like that. Hello Rasad, what's up man? Welcome to the stream. Okay, now it's completed. All right, all right. Alright, so now everything looks good. I want you to add the logo for like suppose the for the video create video. I want you to use the video icon, and for the VEO I want you to use Google icon, and do the same for the rest of other provider like other model as well in the image and in the video both. Wait a second, wait a second. Also make the okay. I'll just do that later. Make the cursor pointer. I wanted to put the logo the way that we have put that on landing page, uh, access the world best AI model section. I wanted to put just like how we put over there. And for the navbar, I want you to increase the font size of the navbar to make it like a bit bigger. And also when I hover on nav element, I want you to set the color to the pink, that which is our like kind of say like primary color that is inside, that is the pink color that is used inside landing page badge section, which says limited time 50% off yearly pro. Okay, now it looks better. I'm on workspace, so it is on workspace. Does that happen with this? Okay, so it does not happen with this shit. Okay. Start creating with Nano Banana Pro. The logo are still not updated. Let me reload and see what happens. Okay, now it's still the same. Templates, tree, community pricing. Okay, community. Alright, so for the community, I want you to make the navbar to be the same that you have used on the dashboard. And also in the video and on the image, I want you to use the actual logo instead of the fake text, because I want you to look at the landing page, access the world best AI model section, and there you have used favicon, you have extracted their favicon. I want you to do the same on the video models, so we can show the like model provider uh, logo. Okay, 8 views and it's already half an hour. Wait, I'm low on battery. I guess I'll end this stream after a few time. Okay, it's 27. Let's just wait for it to be 30, and once it exceeds, then I'm gonna end the stream, and I'll be live again tomorrow. Okay, now this way it will be easier for me to like let people, like I can directly redirect them. Okay, wait, and I can just replace this dashboard because there's no use of this dashboard, and it's just wasting the bandwidth, you know. So in the dashboard, what I can do is I can replace the dashboard with the landing page directly. I can put the landing page right here. Yeah, I can do that as well, but let's not hurry on that at first. Okay, and yeah, I don't think this page makes sense because the credit it will okay, I gotta show the credits right here. Okay, so now it says completed, so let me go on the image, Google Seedance. Okay, alright, I'm gonna replace that later so it won't be a problem. I want you to like use them fully, just like how you used on the access the world best AI model on the hero section. I want the fab icon to exactly look like this. Now, uh, it looks like the white background, and you have just attached that image, and it looks kind of boring. So I want you to make the object we fill. I want you to fill that, and also on the nav bar, I want you to show the credits counter as well, and the notification as well, so user can yeah, I wanted to add those, and other everything looks good to me. Also, I wanted to add the storyboard on the top as well, and on the storyboard I wanted to add a badge saying new. All right, 29 minutes in, last 1 minute. I'm just gonna complete this feature, and I'm gonna put my Mac on charge. All right, now it looks good, except the grok one. Yep, and we got credits right here and the notification right here. And the storyboard it says new. Okay, perfect. Image model, video model, workspace model. Yeah, model, storyboard, templates, history, community. Okay. Okay, so all right, 30 minutes in, and I'm just gonna wait. Like I'm just gonna do this stream for a while. Yeah, I'm gonna remove the light mode as well because I don't think people will use light mode that much. People like, yeah, they won't be that much fan of light mode. Okay, if I go on gallery, generated by the community powered by soul server generation. Okay, whoa, kind of like they are pretty realistic. All right, Luminex images. If I go on video and if I select see dance, and okay, not bad. Okay, if I go on clean motion control, wait, I'm not actually being, okay, if I go on workspace and if I select, what the hell, clean motion control. Okay, there will be another parameter called tab equals motion control. I guess then only it will switch to that. Still not? Yeah. Motion. Oh, tab equals motion. All right. So we go on this and here. What tab equals motion? And okay. All right. Mm, after that, everything is done. Okay. So on the AI model, how are Cinemaster not character? Yeah. Make your own character photo on surface. Okay. Okay, I can show the swap face node as well inside templates. Yeah. Alright, so I want you to go through the face swap node, and I want you to use that face swap nodes on a template, and I want you to create a template. And for the templates, um, on the first row there will be 4 templates, and after that they will go on the second one, like that. All right, so it's about to get 35 minutes, and I guess that will be the last feature that I'll be working on for the today's stream. And I'll do a few work as like work on my like PC got charged. Are you using Cloud Code? No, I'm not using Cloud Code right now. I'm using Cursor. Cursor. I'm using Cursor because I have this plan, but I'm like I have heard when I asked like a few like I have asked a few people, and they told me like to purchase the Cloud Code, because Cloud Code are the default provider, like they are the direct provider, but this Cursor, it is accessing the cloud, like indirectly we're accessing the cloud, right? So they told me like it's good to access, like it's good to use Cloud Code. So let's see what's happened after like this month, because this month I have this pro plan, so I'll be using Cursor, and I'm also like comfortable with this, so I'll be using Cursor for a while, and after that I'll give it a try to Cloud Code as well in the future. Yes. Okay. But I guess I can create that from admin section as well. Yeah. Alright, so the model page also looks good. It doesn't work. Wait. Nano Banana Pro. Okay, if I select. Okay, it's not working, so I gotta fix that as well. Okay, let's go on templates. There's no template right here. Undefined template agents, template.tx. Okay, so I need to switch to the admin panel. Wait a few minutes. I'll just switch to the admin real quick and then alright, so on the templates, I'll just click on set built-ins. Okay, now if I go to the localhost and go on the dashboard and go on the templates, then it's still not there. So I gotta run the config server. Now it will work, I guess. Still not. Alright, now it will work. Templates, and if I go on the dashboard and go on the templates, then we have Face Swap Pro. Alright, now I just need to change the image and other stuff. Okay, everything looks good. Extra detail, okay, it's optional. Alright, okay, I need to change this as well. Alright, it's already been 40 minutes and I'm on 13% charge. By the way, you can like check this website, it's live and you can search it out by typing luminex.com and you will be redirected towards this page and you can try this amazing masterpiece that I've been working on. Okay, models, storyboard, templates. Okay, so next thing that I'm working on, I'll be working on the storyboard, and if this is like when by the time it will get ready, we're gonna run ads. We're gonna generate the ads from this platform and run ads. Okay, so it's like I'm gonna see how much benefit it is for me. Then only I can like offer it as a service. So I'm planning to do it like that way. So, yep, everyone, that's it for today's stream, and it's already 41 minutes. And yeah, I'll catch you all in tomorrow's stream, and that's it for today. It was a great time. Okay, so I'll catch you all in the next stream. Bye bye.